Hi, brother and sister of belief. This is Al-lami from Big Smoke Cigar, Kuwait. Today we have a new lighter from XIKAR. This is the box or the gift box for the lighter. It's come in a big gift, a nice gift box. Then this is the instruction. They come for the purging and how you maintain your lighter. And this is a sponge to cover it. This is the lighter. This lighter is called Resource Ompana, pearl and black. They are coming. This is the pearl, as you can see on the camera. Very nice shape, beautiful, different design. It's like it show you the design for the pipe, and the lighting is from here, as you can see, and it comes in a very nice lines here. It's like a design for it. Beside, they come with their tools. This is the tools, as you can see. One for the pot, okay, for the pipe. The other is for scraping, and you can use it for scraping the pipe from inside. And this is for punching the tobacco, as you can see. 3 tools, they go inside, very handy, and close like this. As we can say, this lighter is very nice, beautiful angles, and you can see the regulator for the gas. It's from the bottom here. You can exceed and squeeze, and like that you can switch it. The fire will come here. There is 2 windows for the oxygen from both sides. It's look like this from here. Very nice. And we'll show you the other one. This is the black one. The same details, everything in the similarity, beautiful, and the same tools with a different color, as you can see. Now we'll start the procedure for purging the lighter. First, you can use this tool or any other tool just to press it to remove any air from the traveling. You can do it yourself or the shop that you are buying from. Then you can use the gas. Normally, you can hold the lighter like this, and you put the cylinder like that and control it and push. 1, 2, 3. 1, and the third, and it will be filled. That's the normal procedure with every lighter. The only thing with this lighter, you don't have a window show you how the gas is being full or not full, but this is a pipe lighter. We'll keep it for a while after filling in the gas. Keep it for a couple of minutes, and then we'll try it and show you. Today we have our pipe, and we'll light with it and show you how we're going to do it. It's easy. There is no, what they call it, very resistant. It's easy to be. It's like that. It's like that. Very nice, very easy. As we said, this is a tool for poking, and the other one for scratching, and this one sometimes you need to breathe your tobacco so you can use it. And close it. You light your pipe, enjoy your smoke. I hope we cover all the detail about this XIKAR Pipe Lighter. As we said, they are coming in 2 colors, the pearl and the black. And very nice, handy, and don't forget XIKAR warranty for life. This being covered, you can use it. Any problem, you can send it Either they fix it or replace it. This is the slogan for XIKAR. I hope everything in detail in this review. See you in another lighter and another video. This is Al-lami from Big Smoke Cigar, Kuwait. Have a great Sunday.